Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to remove dictionary on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down, then find the General, then click. Then in the General, scroll down again and find the Dictionary, then click. Then after that, in this part, in the dictionary, if you want to remove some dictionaries, then all you have to do is just stop until the check mark was removed. Just like this. Just stop the dictionary with the check mark to remove them. And that's it. We have successfully removed dictionary on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.